Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to animate text in Webflow. So what you're going to have to do is simply click on the text and then you're going to have to go to interactions, and then here you're going to have to simply click on page trigger, and then here you're going to have to choose page load, and then here you can simply, so you can see you have when page start loading and when page finish loading. So you're going to have here to simply choose one of these and click on start an animation. And then here you're gonna have to create your animation, and as you can see now we can create our new animation. So you're gonna have to give it a name, and then here as you can see you can choose what animation you want to create. So I'm gonna choose move, and then here you're gonna have to simply select your text, and then here you can simply start animating. So as you can see it starts like this, and basically when it ends it's gonna move. So here as you can see you can simply move it around like this, and basically after you're gonna have to simply click on save, and that's all you have to do. So this is how you can animate text in Webflow. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.